So this Brinkley right here is the 2024 model Z3400, and we kind of like the look of Brinkley.
But this is their brand new model.
I think they have 3 new ones.
Okay, this is one of them.
Yeah, this is their toy hauler new one. There's things I like about it, things I don't like about it.
That's part about a toy hauler. They don't have to.
Let's go ahead and look inside real quick, and we'll show you what we don't like.
This cooktop looks not buy anything to use with a battery.
So we're going to start outside. We'll take a look outside. Now, what is different this year about this? Is their new outdoor patio area, right?
I do like the fact there's some cabinets and there's a television and whatnot, but personally, I don't need a refrigerator outside. I'd rather have a bathroom, a half bath back here.
But isn't the purpose of this for dining and entertaining? So isn't this? I'm just playing devil's advocate. If this were located on the outside of the rig out there,
right,
would you still feel the same way?
Yes, because I don't need a refrigerator outside either.
But a lot of people like to have that on the outside.
They do. I just personally, it's not. Okay, but I get it. I love the patio, the back patio area. That's great. They got a little space for the dog dish and whatnot. Any pet would love this. I just would rather have a half bath in the back.
See, I disagree with you. I like this. No, not that that's a problem,
Right.
but I do kind of like this. So, wow.
And this looks very much like the other ones. You have the washer and dryer hookup back here. And then you have your counter. This guy pulls out, hidden drawer, great workstation as far as I'm concerned. Got your big walk-in closet back here, your bathroom right beside the bedroom, where it's accessible through the bedroom or from downstairs. So this is nice too. I like all this. The kitchen area, I like the way that.
So wait a minute. So this is pretty much standard
Yes,
for
it's very
Brinkley. You're
similar.
not getting anything really different
No,
from
not
one
really.
rig to the other. It's all pretty standard.
Very similar, yes.
Okay, so let's go down and take a
And
look.
then this is similar with the bathroom right in here.
So let's go down and take a look at
Okay.
the
Living
kitchen.
space? Sure.
Yes. So go ahead and.
So I like that the fireplace and the TV are across from the recliners. That's very nice. I like that there is a love seat over here. Because we're entertaining. This is a great entertaining space. You have a friend or two over. You have recliners, great entertaining, and this is okay.
Go and show them how that works. Show them what goes on with that.
Pretty much, this you're gonna push in and out, and it's not as
It
easy.
slides out.
It does slide, but it's heavy.
Here, you hold this. Let me
Okay.
see if I can do it.
All right.
So this comes out.
Yes.
So this gives you the option of having more room. I don't like this. I feel it's
I'm
kinda
not a
cheap.
fan.
It just doesn't work for me. But I get it. It's something different. But
I'd rather they had made this top I'd rather they had made this top like they did in the back area, where you pull it out and then you can have a wider countertop. Because Chris and I are not going to work that close together.
well, here, let's sit. We'll sit and show you.
I mean, we can't even get the chairs out and get in here. So yeah.
I mean
That's tight, and I'm not even in.
this is rather tight.
There's
in
no
here. To me,
way.
it's just not enough room in
There's
here.
no way.
To
I
sit
need to be
comfortably.
over here.
I do like this, sitting here with
And
the
looking
window out
outside.
here. So that's nice. All right. But it's other than that, it's pretty much your standard look to the Brinkley, with a few different changes on the inside. So this would not be
I would not get this one.
this
would not be my
particular
choice.
floor model.
No.
Yeah. All right.
Nope.
This is this has got the countertop in front of you that I like, that
Yes.
folds up.
This is
I really like this.
This is very cool.
And again, we looked at this at the Hershey show. Yeah.
Hershey and last year. They brought this out last year. So this is awesome. I love this counter, the sink, everything about this is the layout. I like this one. Nice big refrigerator, gas, microwave. I mean, you got a great pantry here. Step down, release it.
Yeah, we went over this at the Hershey show.
Beautiful. But again, I like it. My favorite thing about this rig is this back here. This is awesome to me. You can get your washer and dryer prep, and then here's your half bath. I just think comes in very handy if you have family and friends over. You have a single bunk up here, and then you also have the drop down, which is going to give you a dinette, 2 beds, and a dinette. So if Chris and I can use this area as a workspace back here, a dinette to eat, and then we can see outside Tucker, and if we want to carry, you know, a golf cart or something like that, motorcycles, bikes, whatever, we can do that.
Now look, let's just talk about this for a second. The Brinkleys look great, but there's more to an RV than looks.
That's true.
And we're not experts on breaking down frames and raised frames and all that other stuff. Those are things you're going to want to research. Don't just go by the look of the rig. If there's a rig you like, you got to dig deep into it, especially if you don't know anything about fifth wheels and the frames and all those other things that are, you know, electric jacks versus hydraulic jacks, 6-point versus 4-point, all those things you need to keep in mind and consider. Don't just...
The looks are going to pull you in.
The looks, yes, but you need to look at the suspension, the tires. All those things are more important to the well-being of the rig than just looking at the layout. The layout's nice, it's great, it's fantastic, but you know, once you get past that, start looking at things that are really important. Yes. Okay. Let's start up. All right, let's start up in the bathroom.
Okay.
Let's see.
Bathroom is about the same as some of their other ones. There's really no difference. It's nice, very pretty. Again, bedroom, it's pretty much the same.
Pretty much standard, nothing different. You got all your, you know, hookups for your washer and dryer. So it's all pretty standard stuff in the bedroom.
Yes.
So let's go down here and take a look in the living area.
This is different. This is very different. Look at the size of the television. Good gracious.
Okay. So, what do you think about this? What's your initial impression? Look, and this backs up to...
Yeah. I'm not a fan of this. I want to be able to get from my kitchen to my... I don't want to have to go all the way around. And this, again, I'm not a fan.
But this looks like it's a little bit bigger than the other one, doesn't it? See, I would rather just... Tell me. I would just rather have one big table there, and that would be a workstation.
Yes.
It's still a workstation, but...
It still is. But this is not... I like this. I like the layout of this and this. They don't need to do this. I could have...
See, I'm not digging this.
I could have a sofa here and a sofa there with it open. I don't need this. This is too much.
Look, there's something going on here.
Right, to travel, you have to break it down.
I don't know, but
you have to, because they're not going to come in.
Yeah, there's something going on here. So my guess is, yeah, you're right. Here's your slide down here.
Yep.
I don't know. I don't like this.
At all.
And this concerns me, being so close to your cooktop, and if anything were to spill and stain or scratch. So no, I get what they're trying to do. They're trying to do something different, and they did do something different, but I'm not digging it.
I'm not feeling it at all.
It kind of has an enclosed feeling here, and I'm not digging it.
Yeah.
But I appreciate the fact that they tried to do something different.
Yeah, they're introducing new floor plans. Everybody wants to see new floor plan, absolutely. But they have some of the same options, like their silverware that they had last year, the knife drawer that they had last year. I'm sure they have the dog bowl somewhere around here from last year. So it's just a different design. And the back, there's a lot of people back there, but
we'll go back there in a minute. but there's a bunch of people back there talking.
This is a long toy hauler. I wouldn't be interested.
Did we find out what the length on this was?
39.50, so it's probably 40 foot.
Oh, it says it right here, babe. 45 feet. 45.
That's way too big.
45.
Yeah, that would make me extremely nervous. Yeah.
It's got a fuel station tank on it, 60 gallons. So that would be the for your toys. So you got a separate fuel station tank in the fifth wheel, which will allow you to fill up your toys.
Yep.
That open so that Can-Am could fit right here and build a desk on here. So now
Well,
so
you have your bathroom here.
so that you still have a guest bed. So this could be
Oh, okay. What do you think about that?
No.
Not feeling it?
No.
And to his point, the garage floor is heated, so we're full.
It's got a washer and dryer prep hookup.
So this obviously comes out and makes a door.
Oh, it encloses it into a bathroom.
Yes. So same thing. 2 drop downs, half bunk, half, single up here. So kind of the same that way.
Nice cross ventilation.
Thank you.
You good? You're all. It's all good.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, how you doing? Oh yeah.
I mean, it's a nice patio back out here. Plenty of garage room, but you're not digging. This isn't doing it for you.
I wouldn't pick this one at all. I would not pick this one. I would choose the one from last year, the original toy hauler.
Once again, I give him credit for trying something different. And at 45 feet long, yeah, having no experience.
There are 2 entrances. That's nice, but it's just too big. But this would be a hot mess getting it into anywhere. We would have to have pull-throughs everywhere we went.
Yeah, those are awesome.
Okay, let's go out this way. So, triple axle. I mean, once again, plenty of storage underneath, looks like. Got a generator down here. The smart lithium iron phosphate setup. 3,000 watt inverter. I mean, you come over here. It's your propane, your water station. On board, looks like it's an air compressor. Is that a? Here's your fuel station. So I mean, it's a nice looking rig, but I wasn't crazy about the inside. So, well, that was interesting. I mean, we got to see it, and you guys will get to see it too if you come over here to the Tampa show this year.
And they still very attractive inside, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not ready to jump ships right now.